Cooking to perfection just got easier with the Wireless Meat Thermometer multi-sensors digital food thermometer. This innovative tool is a game changer for grilling, roasting, and smoking. Featuring high-precision sensors, it delivers instant, accurate temperature readings. Say goodbye to overcooked steaks and undercooked poultry. Whether you're hosting a backyard BBQ or preparing a holiday feast, this thermometer is your reliable companion at home or on the go. Its dual ultra-thin probes are crafted from food-grade stainless steel, designed for precision and versatility. Measuring just 0.19 inches, these probes are thinner than most, offering rapid and reliable temperature tracking. The ability to monitor two foods simultaneously, like a juicy steak and a Thanksgiving turkey, makes multitasking in the kitchen or at the grill a breeze. The smart connectivity and multifunctional app elevate convenience. Use the Chef BBQ app to monitor cooking remotely from up to 450 feet away or rely on the host unit for closer range. The intuitive app interface keeps you informed of every detail, while customizable timers and temperature settings ensure flawless results. A handy alarm lets you know when your food is ready, saving you time and effort. With a large backlit LCD screen, this thermometer offers crystal-clear visibility in any light. Its long-lasting battery means up to 120 hours of continuous use. The Wireless Meat Thermometer isn't just a gadget, it's the ultimate cooking companion for perfectly cooked meals every time. Ready to take your culinary skills to the next level?